Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Exploring kitchen lighting ideas is a captivating journey for interior design enthusiasts, offering the opportunity to transform the heart of the home into a well-lit and aesthetically pleasing space. Lighting is a fundamental element in interior design, and in the kitchen it serves both functional and decorative purposes. One of the key trends is the use of pendant lights, which not only illuminate the kitchen but also create a striking visual impact. The choice of pendant style can range from industrial to modern, allowing for a perfect match to your interior design theme. Under cabinet lighting is another popular choice, providing task lighting for food preparation and a subtle ambient glow when the main light is off. Decreased lighting is a timeless option, offering a clean and unobtrusive look. It provides even illumination throughout the kitchen, making it ideal for larger spaces. The integration of smart lighting solutions such as dimmable LED fixtures and color charging options has gained traction, allowing for greater control and customization of the kitchen ambience. Kitchen islands are often highlighted with unique lighting fixtures to serve as a focal point and enhance the overall design. In summary, kitchen design ideas cater to various design preferences, allowing interior design enthusiasts to play with light and shadow to create a functional, aesthetically pleasing, and inviting space. Whether you prefer a modern, rustic, or classic style, the right lighting can elevate your kitchen's overall design. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.